Hi guys, this is Sean over at Team Xbox at Microsoft. I just personally purchased the Surface Laptop 3 15-inch. I'm not with the team. This review is my own personal purchase on my own, but super excited because it launches today. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We got the silver model with the metallic finish, so it's the first for the Surface line this year. It's the 15-inch and it comes with the AMD Ryzen graphics card. So those little new additions that the Surface teams work together here. Surface is pretty cool because they had a free breakfast, a bunch of free drawings today, some celebrities at their stores. So if you can get your hands on this, it's great. I just want to thank the Surface marketing team for all their efforts putting all this together for us fans. Like I said, this is just a love of the products, just like you guys have. So let's go ahead and unbox this here. Surface laptop, nice and simple. I should probably erase this. And just like that, we have this Surface laptop. It has this nice little plastic lining here. Lift that up and let's take a look at how thin that is. That's pretty thin. That's amazing. And it looks like kind of like the OG MacBooks, you know, back when they had this like silver color. They're a little more darker today. All right, that's the laptop. Let's go into what else is in the rest of the box. So you have these manuals here. Let's see, Surface laptop, user manuals. Let's see if they made any changes with the power bricks. All right, about the same. It's a 65 watt power brick. So we've seen larger power bricks with the Surface Books. Charging port. Okay, so let's get this plastic lining off for the first time. Got a little notch here. Pull that off. That should just come off. Just like that. All right, and it's off. That is the new Surface Laptop 3 15-inch. Again, let's go over the ports. This is the Surface port right there. Got your USB-A, USB Type-C, headphone jack, and that's it. There's no more mini display port. Brilliant, simple, elegant. Looks like you got your little fan grills right there. Okay, and what the Surface line is known for, let's open it up with one touch for the first time. All right, and we got this nice little lining right there. You notice this is a metal finish. Whether it's true or not, the Alcantara was a worry for customers, whether it's stained or not. This shouldn't be a problem with this metallic finish. All this grease from our palms, we'll see with long-term use. But the first time on, power button is right here, same spot as last time. And it's on. So another feature that the Surface line has this year is instant on. So every time I should lift the screen on it, the laptop should come right on. A quick setup. Yes. Hi Cortana, let's see. Do I want to set you up? US, yes. Yep, US keyboard.
Now type your credentials. Type your email address.
Alright, so let's set up the IR sensor right there.
Required. Want to set that up now?
Yep,
Okay.
let's set that
Hold
up.
still for a second. We need to learn to recognize you.
Nice.
Want to set up a
That's
pin?
it. Alright, set the pin. Let's do Windows timeline so we can connect this to all our other Windows devices. And we got our Galaxy Fold here. So Samsung should work seamlessly with Windows or Windows or Android. Set it up. Yes. Let's do OneDrive.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana.
Cortana permissions.
Go ahead. almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
All right, and so that's the setup. We got the Windows screen right here. Great. We're gonna take a closer look, but the same Windows experiences. But let's go into this PC. Raise that. Okay, now we have Surface Laptop 3 set up. Notice minimal bloatware. There's no desktop icons at all. Honestly, these bezels look a little smaller than last year. We're gonna have to do a little comparison. You have this little white strip right here. As we learned with all our mobile devices, that this is where probably the antennas are, because you can't get any of that signal in this metallic casing. And this looks like matte or a metallic finish. It looks really good. I do see there is a divot here for the keys, so that means that these keys don't hurt the lining on the screen if they're pressing to them all the time when we open and close. This trackpad is about 20% bigger, so we can do gestures right there, and includes all your standard cameras right there, standard webcam, IR camera that we can't see right now for Face ID, and we got that set up. And now we're just setting up Windows across devices. Alright, so that's it. Surface Laptop 3, we're gonna go and review this. Gotta get this all set up. As I said, it's looking for my face right now, instant on. Thanks guys for watching, for unboxing and quick setup right there. Look forward to the full review on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Alright, thanks so much.